Okay, I'll come clean. This is an advert for just 1 minute about my fantastic ebooks. But how else will you know what's on offer unless I explain them to you? Because most of you woodworkers wouldn't consider an ebook. So, starting now, I'm going to talk for just 1 minute. Okay, I hate the word ebook, but how else can I describe these fantastic page-turning video integrated publications that can be viewed instantly online on any device, but which also give you the option to print out and download so you can view them on a tablet. Now, I'm working on a range of instructional ebooks that I'd rather call e-manuals, and also some biographical and reference publications that you just won't get anywhere else. Now, I'm trying to keep the cost down to under the cost of a paperback, and that's difficult because a huge amount of work has gone into them. The micro CATAMARAN e-manual, for instance, is so extensive, including over a dozen videos, that I think it's cheap for £20. Well, I think that took just under a minute, so I'll end now with some visuals, and thanks for watching.